Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pancakes without any milk. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, baking powder, a touch of sugar, and a pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, grab an egg, some cooking oil, and plain water. This recipe is fantastic because it uses items you probably already have on hand, making breakfast easy and accessible for everyone. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Make sure they are well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, lightly beat your egg, then add the cooking oil and water. Finally, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually preferred for fluffy pancakes. Time to cook. Heat your griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat, adding a little oil or butter. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Watch for bubbles to form on the surface and the edges to look set, which usually takes about 2 minutes. This is your cue to gently flip them over. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious, milk-free pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings, whether that's maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or freeze them for longer. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Enjoy your homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.